boys and girls. Today is a beautiful sunny day, and I am in my backyard to do some exercises. Do you want to join me? You would? That's great! I made a list of 6 exercises that I want to do. A 6-sided die is going to help us to determine when to do which exercise. The die we made before is going to be used in this exercise. Let's start with some warm-ups. Let's roll the dice. Number 2, jumping jacks. Do whatever you can. Number 4, Spartan bow. Let's practice our balance. That was not easy. Number 3, spread eagle. Jump as high as you can. Number 6, tree pose. Stand still. Number 5, snowboard. Remember when you bend your legs, your knees are not passing the tip of your toes. Number 1, hop on one foot. Let's end our exercise with some stretching and relaxation. Don't forget to drink water before, during, and after your exercise. Stay healthy and fit. See you next time.